Great, now he's climbing up the other way. Ah. It's a hard climb. Be careful, you're gonna hit your chin. Don't hit your chin. You go the right way now. Okay. You wanna run? Just that. You made it one time, 2 times. No. You're gonna fall, dude. People are waiting to slide. And go up the stairs and down the slide. Hey, hey, no, 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 no. No, 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 don't go backwards. What are you doing? No, no. Oh, man. Why do you kids always end up deciding to do the weird things? You're just so funny. You think you're so funny. You think you're so funny. You're so funny. I'm hilarious. Say, I'm hilarious.
You're going upstairs and see the fan.
Hilarious means very funny. You want to go see the fan? Let's go inside. Oh, the chandelier. We don't have a fan. We have chandeliers. Where are you going? There's a black fan in there? Oh, I see. Is that right? Outside, huh?